Take a ride in the 2024 Maverick. The Ford Maverick is a rear-wheel drive compact car styled with a long hood, fastback roof, and short deck for a sleek, curvaceous design. Its muscle car-themed trim package includes a distinct hood and spacious interior. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: spray-in bed liner, body color door handles, perimeter alarm, Sirius XM radio, backup camera, smart device integration, trip computer, power rear window sunshade, tinted glass, 8 speakers. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.